What's up, Facebook? I'm going to go over idea to the shelf in 20 minutes, starting a business, going through the patent if it's a new idea, how to get on shelves, how to create a marketing plan, and everything you need to know to develop your LLC and all of that good stuff really quick. If any of it's confusing, just YouTube someone smarter on how to do it. I'm just going to show you how easy it is using AI to develop a business in 2025 and 6. So let me get to, I might already be sharing. Okay, let's go to this. All right, so this is, well, it says the CluckShield, but it is now called the Clucker Screen. And I went through AI to see how I could reinvent the wheel with the human magnetic screen that keeps flies out of your house. So AI went through the patent and just kind of showed me every way I could patent this idea. I think it'll be tough to do, but I'll still be first to market because there's no one else doing this. And so these screens will keep flies out, but you still have cool air inside and circulating air, which is very important. So I have them on my duck and chicken coop, and so you have to install them, slowly because they're prey animals. So you have to install them, keep them open, slowly shut them so they're used to it and not scared of it. But once they're used to it, works great. Works just like a human one. Let me go back to my screen share. So this is the Clucker screen. I'm sorry, the magnetic screen for people. All right, how do I turn this background off? Anyway, you get the idea. Keeps flies out. And from that, I developed this, which is the Clucker screen. So you can put the picture I just showed you through AI and tell it to regenerate it in a rebranded form that has no copyright infringement. So that's how you see this chicken here that originally started way up here coming out of a house. Then a chicken house changed the name and all the way down to CluckShield, but it is now Clucker Screen on the website. So once I have the idea, now I have to figure out if I can manufacture it, which these are inexpensive enough that I can. So with that, I would go to Alibaba and find the people who make the magnetic door screens. Here they are. So everything you buy on Amazon comes from these same manufacturers. They're just rebranded to, um, you know, whatever ways they want to brand and appeal to you. But anyway, I went through and contacted all of them, and I got 50 of them made. Go back to my screen share. So here's my chicken coop screens. They're much shorter, still open in the middle, keep their integrity at top, close automatically. So, ordered them probably about a month ago through this process. Now they're here. I have 50 of them. Upload them to my site, upload them to Amazon. It costs $39.99 a month to have a Seller Central account. It might be a little bit more now. I haven't actually looked in a while, but you can sell lots of things. I sell lots of books and anything that you want. You have a single cost minus storage fees, which books have none because they print automatically from Amazon, and these magnetic screens are very inexpensive. So back to the patent. Here's the patent application. Patent process, I'd let Chat be the expert. So it has filled out the entire patent for me. Technical drawings, these are needed for the provisional. Looks weird top view, but you kind of see what it is down here. The door, mesh screen, shows why. And then you've got your installation guide. All made within a few minutes on Abacus.AI, but there's lots of different agents. So once I had the patent done, I ordered all of the screens off Alibaba. That took a while. My team worked with manufacturers, finding the least expensive ones. So I will just double that cost, because if I order in bulk, I'll get them for a lot cheaper. And if I can sell 50, then I will look at it at a much stronger look. Let's see, what is this? It's for canines for camo, chicken clucker. Here we go. Okay, so if I'm just starting out, so I'm just making it the expert and letting it create a business plan and marketing plan. And I'll also say, plan to get on retailer shelves. From there, I can scrape the internet for emails, phone numbers, find the people in charge and see if I can get it on their shelves. And I will have my team start all the social media pages, and I will put probably $200 to $300 on Google Ads and Facebook marketing. Once that comes back, I will run all of the numbers through my CFO agent, which will tell me whether or not the business is viable, whether I should keep throwing money at it, what my competition level is. It will then send it to the CEO agent that gives me a great plan on what to do. So here's our product overview and our goals. Market analysis. Basically, just do-it-yourself solutions are my only competitor. No one's doing it at a big level. I'm getting them for $4.99 right now. So, if I'm selling them for 40, that's a great margins. So all of this you saw was just created in a couple seconds. The initial marketing budget I don't agree with, because I like to see if it's viable. If you have it on Google AdWords and no one's looking for it, and you have it on social for a few $100 and you're using proper prompts and marketing and you can't make it work, then move on to the next one. So there's my timeline, financials, risks and mitigation. And so that is how I start from idea to shelf. And I hope to have these in Amazon probably beginning of the year. They're not going to accept much more this year because it's close to Christmas. They might be with all the new storage, but maybe this year. January launch date. Website should be up this week. and all of the socials dropped in the N8N flow so that AI is running all my social, HR, compliance, anything that can be automated is now automated. So saving money where other businesses are not. If you have any questions about that, leave a comment in the comment section and start inventing things. Have a good one.